Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dina, and I'm kind of going to be showing you guys how I glue down this wig. Now, this wig is old, and I wanted to restore it, make it look new, so I'm going to be plucking it to mimic my hairline. I'm going to start on the two sides where it is more thinner, just to kind of mimic my hairline. I want to pluck around the corners of the square part of my hairline, if that makes sense, just to give it a more of a cowlick look, squarish hairline look. So I hope you guys enjoy and watch me as I try to get this hairline right. So you can kind of see right in there it's getting thinner, where I want it to look more like a cowlick to mimic my hairline. You see me stopping and to look at it back to back because there's only like an inch of lace space, and I want to be careful not to show tracks. So I'm just basically plucking and checking and looking and going back and forth just to be careful not to pluck too much hair. You have to kind of just stop every time you pluck so much just to make sure you can see what's going on and look at the progress to see if anything is showing up, and kind of just frame it and sculpt it basically. I don't know how to really explain that part. I got this hair that was getting on my nerves. I could not get it off to save my life. Oh my gosh, it was tickling me so much. Bear with me, guys. This is my first video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. I use Got2b hairspray. I really don't like to use the gels. I just like to use the spray. It just dries faster and it holds for a long time. I use the blow dryer on a cool setting. It just dries faster and the glue becomes tackier. And once it dries, it actually sticks to the skin very well with the cool setting. Not hot or warm, cool. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my. At this point, I realized I had to pluck a little bit more on this side. It just was looking too thick, and I need to cut my sideburns a little bit too, just to give it a more natural look. even 24-hour edge tamer is my staple edge control. I love it. It doesn't get too white. It holds for a long time. But I'm into trying new things. I want to try the edge booster. What y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know. I love it, I love it, I love it. If you liked it too, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good one.